If your Silverado or Sierra master window control is giving you trouble, I will show you how to replace it in a few minutes. We are gonna start by removing this trim right here using any plastic trim removal that you have available. Hello everyone, Spanglish Garage here. In my channel we avoid the nonsense. If that's something that you appreciate, make sure to hit that like button to let me know. When removing this plastic trim, be gentle, we don't want to break it. Now we will see these two bolts, one at the bottom, one at the top. They both are 10 millimeter in size. 10 millimeter bolt. There is no need to use a power tool. The only reason I'm using one is to speed up my process. Now with the door handle out of the way, we are going to pull from here so that way we can get the whole thing out. This car fix applies to any Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. Now we are going to be removing the old master window control switch, and it has two connections that we have to disconnect. Each of those plugs will have a tab that we have to press and then pull. This is a simple car repair and maintenance that you can do at home, and that way save your money. Now with those connections already disconnected, we are gonna go ahead and in order to remove the master window control, it is held in place by 4 clips, 2 at each side. Be careful with it, it's really thin plastic and we don't want to break it. Now, how would you know that this is really the part that you need to replace? Well, let me tell you, if every window works from its own switch, the regulator, then it is fine. This is almost always the master switch. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And that's exactly what we are replacing in this video. Now that we have the old and damaged master window control out, we are gonna go ahead and compare it with the new one. We want to make sure that this is the right fit and we got the right part. We don't want any surprises after doing the installation, so make sure that yours, the new one, the replacement, matches exactly the old one. If after the replacement you're still having some trouble, I will let you know in just a little bit what else you can check. Now when reconnecting the plugs on the master window control, there is no way that you can mess this up because there are only 2 plugs and they can only go in its own place. If for some reason it's giving you trouble, make sure that you double check the connection, you don't have any bent pin or anything in the middle, so that way we avoid any further damage. Before we put everything back, make sure you double check and all windows should be working fine. Make sure you test for the driver's side, passenger side and the ones in the back if applicable in your case. Now this whole assembly has 3 clips. Pay attention to that, one at the front, one at the bottom and one in the middle. So you want to make sure that those clipped right back to where they belong, but just be gentle, let me tell you that, because these cars tends to have a crappy plastic and if you break one of those clips then you will have to fix it, and that's something that we don't want to be doing at this point. Now let me give you a tip. If nothing works, check the fuse before assuming the switch is bad. That's rare, but it can happen. And just like that, under 5 minutes, we have replaced the master window control. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.